Hello, peeps, spring peeps. The bees are buzzing in this fairy duster. And this is Kathy Crabbe. Hello, it's spring here in Temecula. I'm going to be touring a beautiful botanical garden today. This is inland from San Diego, about 1 hour. And I'm going to take you through a little fairy nature walk. And I hope you enjoy it. Blessed be. Here's one of my favorite cactuses. Love that one. Because it's spring, even the cactus are in bloom. Lots of wildflowers too. This little purple one. So yeah, just take some relaxed breaths, get comfortable, feel yourself sinking into your seat, your chair, relaxed breathing. As we go on this nature walk, enjoying the spring flowers of Temecula. Green blessings, sparkly blessings are all around us. The cactus is singing. The bees are buzzing. Sugar bush is in bloom. Hello. Hello. Oh, there's so many bees. A lot of these flowers, they're only going to be blooming now in spring. In the distance, you can see that's a hand-built adobe made from the dirt, the earth I'm standing on. Now this is the best cactus bloom I've spotted. So beautiful. What happens is at night, or actually I've been painting these before and they will just close up as I'm painting them in the day. So if anything's trapped in there, it probably won't live. Here's a little familiar. Woo-hoo. Woo. Look at that beauty. Just keep your relaxed breathing going. Breathe in this green, these blooms. Breathe out any worries, stresses, anger, frustrations. Let it all go. Breathing in beauty. Breathing out stress. Oh, I've painted this beautiful rock before. Ooh, lots more bees. Rock collections. Little pond, lots and lots of pollywogs in there, frogs and toads. I hear them every night. It's loud, singing their song. It's a beautiful little bridge here. Cactus forest. Keep that breathing relaxed, harmonious. The birds are singing along with you. Sky is blue. You're letting go of all worries. Breathing in this beauty. Coming upon my favorite cactus bloom. This one I've painted and had it close up just as I'm painting it. Isn't she beautiful? The light. There's a little grinding stone the indigenous people use to grind their corn, and they're more likely they're acorns. So there's a lot of oaks. There's a little flower, cactus flower. So peaceful. Go down this little path here, little rock steps. Some fuzzy cactus. Believe it or not, it's actually soft. Oh, I love her. It's from a ship, a mermaid. Lots of beautiful protected plants. They've got a little covering over them. Cactus everywhere you look. This is an amazing water-wise garden. Doesn't need much water at all. The grinding stone. Ooh, that's pretty. Like some quartz. There's quartz around here, and there's also tourmaline in the hills. And there is obsidian. There's lots of horses. I have some horsey friends at the end. This road. Ooh. Volcanic rock. beautiful flowering tree over here and a bridge we didn't go on, but you can see the tree in bloom right now. And the bridge. Here are the doves. Watch my path here. There's plants being probably weeded. Ooh, it's beautiful. The pepper tree with some friends climbing it. Beautiful cactus in the distance. I've never seen that one. It's getting bigger and bigger all the time. And here there's a really interesting cactus. There's this one. Look at that. That one's really pretty too, hanging. I'm going to end our nature walk. Thank you so much for joining me this spring day here in Temecula. We're going to end with this beautiful cactus flowering orange. Say a blessing and a thanks to you and to our guides, our ancestors, the divine, the divines, Mother Nature, Mama Earth, Father Sky. Blessed be. Thank you so much for joining me.